Make a great choice today with the 2023 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.